The scope of this roof was very large. It was a full recover, and it included various insulations plus membrane. The existing roof was a standing seam metal roof, so you have these pans, and we had to fill those with the flute-fill to level it off, and then we put another layer of insulation so any heads from the fasteners that were sticking up went into the insulation and embedded. And then we put a high-density cover board over top, which makes the roof feel solid like it does today.
With metal roofs, what happens over time is they become hard to maintain. This single-ply retrofit is totally the way to go because you're adding a whole new roof system over the existing, maintaining the water tightness of the roof and making it last for a long time to come.
What made it technically different than most other retrofits was that we had a lot of difficult conditions to deal with. So it was a lot of areas that you had to be really careful on and really take the time to do the details correctly.
The skylight approach had been done because it was a self-sealing skylights where we couldn't take the membrane up and over, and also they were smoke hatches. So we couldn't disturb the mechanisms for the smoke hatch. So we had to use the EPDM tape.
Well, Johns Manville is a Factory Mutual insured company, and when you're a Factory Mutual insured company, you have to meet their requirements for approvals. So we had to get an engineering study done and send it to Factory Mutual in order for them to approve our application of this roof.
The details that required the most precision was the internal gutter. You weren't able to flash the gutter in correctly and have it flow the correct way. So we closed it off and forced the water to go to the drains.
We used tapered insulation, filled it in, and tapered it to the north and south side of the drains and put internal drains in.
I think the biggest thing about this roof is the fact that we re-roofed it without removing the skylights, but we also re-roofed this entire building while the plant was in function. And the plant never had to shut down for any part of this roofing project.
Completing 1,900 squares in 8 weeks, that says something about the quality, the craftsmanship, and the capability of a company. I mean, that's a huge undertaking to take on, and we have the manpower, we have the equipment, the tools, the expertise in order to make that happen, and that is what we did here.